Something I forgot to talk about was the prefabs. And also, I forgot to mention, like, if you make your own log in Blender and you got some crazy shape, when you start making your copies and you got these different sides that got these different uh, flatnesses and roundness, more round, more flat, uh, it gives you more, options, individual options, so that it's not exactly the same like this. So it's not exactly, you know, exact same shape for every log if you wanted to do uh, that's more realistic than everyone being exactly the same. You see what I'm saying? Like they're all a little different. But say you make your bridge and you like the bridge that you make and you're like, well, I like that. I want to just use that again. Now, I don't know how to load a prefab as far as loading it into another level or something. I was trying to figure that out, and I don't know how to do that. But I know you can take all these that you just make and you say, okay, pack all these into a prefabrication or whatever. This one, this one, this one, this one, that one, this one, this one, that one, this one. Or if you made them all, you would just pick the whole list, but like, I don't want those, so I'll say pack it in the prefab, and I'll name it. And now this is the prefab where I can move it. It'll be recognized as a one object. I can make things easier for uh, moving things around. And if you decide, at any time that you want to unpack it, you just right click on it and unpack prefab, which will unpack it, and then you got where you can pick these individual ones if you want to, kind of make an adjustment here or there, and then you can repack it up again. So that's how you do that. There's something else just I forgot in the other video to mention about doing that. It does make things a lot easier when you're making a lot of stuff and you don't want to have to redo it every time. You can just easily pack them all together, and like you get a level with a whole lot of stuff, like pages and pages of stuff. It gets damn confusing. It gets hard to like really, because you'll start making something else and then you'll have something else under this and then you'll bring the log back. You can always put everything into a new group and call the sim group, say, log bridges, for example. And you can take all the other log objects and you can move them all into there so that all of the stuff, stays in the folder. And you can do that with your roads, your other rocks, whatever you're making, houses, whatever your level is. You can have everything in these little folders like this, so your scene tree is neatly and organized, unlike mine that's like 25 pages long.